Get me out of the car, bro. Bro, I tried to get out the car, bro. He wouldn't even let me get out the car, bro.
Okay, listen.
Look what he just did to me, bro.
How would you like to get up right now?
Bro, look what he just did to me. I can't get up.
How would you like to get
Man,
up?
I can't get up, first of all, without my walker.
Listen,
Man, do you see how the police doing me? I can't even get up. They won't let me get up without my walker. I told him I can't walk, so he won't let me get up.
You know how they is.
Out of the car.
Getting ready for another one right now.
You really gonna
How
do that to
can
me? Let me get my walker.
It's right here. How do you want us to help you get up?
Bro, can you talk to me like this, bro? I need my walker, bro.
You're not.
I need my walker, Zinger. I can't get up. Ah, man, I can't get up.
Wait, act like a baby, right?
Bro, I can't get up like this. Look what he's doing to my hands. Man, look what he's doing to my hands. I can't walk. I asked for my walker, bro. Look what you're doing to my hands, man. Look what he's doing to my hands, bro. Bro, look what he's doing to me, bro. This is inhumane. I tried to get up and get my walker. He forced me out of the car.
His braces are locked. His braces need to be unlocked.
My legs can't fold, man. My legs
His
cannot
braces
fold.
need to
Look what
be
they doing to
unlocked.
me. My legs can't fold.
His
My
braces need
legs
to be
can't fold.
unlocked.
Bro, my legs can't fold. Look what they doing to me, man. He drugged me from the car. My legs cannot fold. I just told him that.
His leg braces need to be unlocked.
You want to work on your leg or do you want to do a square? Do you want help getting in the car or not?
Why are you even putting me in the car is the question.
You're not jacking shit. I'm not letting you go. Listen. If we stand you up, are you going to be able to do it or not? If we stand you up, are you going to be able to do it or not? We're not trying to. You're fine. Sit down. Okay. Go on, you were just driving a car. I didn't pull you on shit.
Okay, you did pull him out of the car. I just sat here and watched you.
You want to fall out on your own?
I'm trying to figure out what's the point. What are we doing? I'm trying to figure out what we're doing.
How many times have we asked him, how's your help, man?